Hey guys, Glenmurray online and affiliate profit pages. How are you? Hope you're having a great Friday. Friday or Saturday? It's Friday. Woohoo. All right, today is give me your affiliate marketing secrets. Damn it. These are three things that all affiliate marketers need to survive online. If you want to be an affiliate marketer online, you need to know these three things. These are the three things that are the most important things that you need to have. By the way, I have my AirPods in because my Yeti, is making crazy sounds. So I don't know what's going on. If you had a couple, I apologize for a couple of my last videos. It had this ticking in it, and I couldn't hear it when I was, doing it. And then I posted it up, and I didn't want to. Anyways, they are what they are, guys. It's YouTube. If the information is important, as long as you can hear it, if it's not too annoying. All right, so before we get into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we will jump into the three things that all affiliate marketers need to survive. And just on a quick note, so I was talking to one of my downlines in this great list building program that we do that basically pays commissions daily. He said something that was really important to me, and I think that you should take this to heart. If you're going to be an affiliate marketer and you want to make money online in this amazing time for making money online, is take it seriously. Someone he asked me, he's like, "Hey, can you do the whole thing on your smartphone?" And I kind of thought, well, yeah, you could. You could get a smartphone and you could basically do everything. But think about that. Like if you're talking to someone that wants to do their entire business on a smartphone, well, unless they're really good on a smartphone, they're probably not that serious about their business. You want people that are serious about their business, that are going to help you. You're going to help them grow, and they're going to help you grow. Because once you have someone that buys in your program, they usually buy into other programs that you have to offer. So I put it back to him like this. That's great, but I wouldn't waste too much time with someone like that, because it's like, someone wanting to be a taxi driver and they want to use their bicycle. It's not going to work, right? Anyways, that's what I have. So 3 things all affiliate marketers need to do to survive. Okay, number 1, and this is so important. And yes, I've trained on being able to do affiliate marketing with no website, but you know what, guys? The reality is, if you're serious, then get a website. It's so inexpensive to get websites these days. For a couple of bucks a month, you can have a domain. Or they like a lot of the hosting. I'll put a link to the hosting where you get a free domain with the hosting. If you go and do everything through Clickfunnels, which you basically can, you get a free domain there. I'll give you a 14-day trial of Clickfunnels. Here's a little secret. Try the 14 days. If you like it, tell them you want another 14 days. Usually they run another month onto you. Oh, and quickly, apparently we're supposed to be doing this. Disclaimer: you may not make any money online. That's reality. About 95% of the people that try to make money online don't make anything. But if you want to be in the 5%, then listen to what I say and do as I do, not what all these other people are saying, that this magic button, you're going to make $1 bazillion by clicking this one thing. No, it takes work to do this, but the work is very rewarding. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and it's an amazing way to make money. Okay, so 3 things. Stick around to the end. I want to introduce you to a program that's going to change your life. Number 1, using unique websites. A lot of people will do, they'll go to ClickBank and they'll find all these different niches and they'll want to promote all of them. And they get a domain and they start throwing up content of, hey, fix your back. Hey, lose your weight. Hey, do astrology. Hey, do crypto. Now, if you have a site that is kind of a general site for a whole bunch of stuff, like it's like a news type site, but you can segment it into, like, don't just do one article on that. Like, have like create a homes and gardens section, and then put like a bunch of content about gardening, about sheds, about stuff, and you can do that, and then go over and do the world of online dating, and then do like a category of that, and then put your content into that. Now you can do that. When you're getting started, it's going to really confuse Google. Google's going to go, well, why is he linking this gardening site to a dating site and all this stuff? Anyway, but if you don't want to do that, I would really, until you're experienced with SEO and writing, I would just pick one niche and focus on that. Just get a website focused on that, and then when you're done, building out that site, maybe you've got up to 25, 50 articles on there, and it's starting to get some really good traffic. Then move on to another niche and start generating that. So that's number one. So unique websites, guys. Number two, building your list by giving away valuable content. Now, this is really, really key. You need to be building your list every single day, guys. Every single day, you need to be putting people on your list. And you're like, well, I don't want to email people. People don't look at email anymore. No. Email is still the way every company sends you a receipt. Email is still the way that almost 99.9% of marketers make their money. You know how they do it? They send you an email to get on their webinar, right? They send you a link in your email to join that webinar. The webinar might be doing the selling, but guess how they got there? They got there through email. Guys, even when you're seeing on YouTube, you see an ad, right? And they're going to say, hey, join my webinar, give me your email. Before you're taken to the webinar, you usually said, go check your email for the link for the webinar. So email is so important. Now, guys, what is valuable content? You can do it a number of ways. A free giveaway. If you've got a targeted prospect, if you've got someone targeted, right? So let's say you're doing, you've got your blog set up, it's just your home and garden blog, right? And you've got shed plans, and you've got like 5 different contents, like really good content about the ins and outs of building garages, how to pick the right garage, where to put the garage in your property, what's the right roof on your garage? Should I build a 2-story garage? Should I put a foundation on my garage? Whatever it is, or shed, or whatever you're building, right? You do all that, and you want to, what are you going to give someone that's like that? Well, you're going to give them a blueprint, right? Hey guys, download the #1 shed plans in the world, right? Go get it. There's actually, I think, on ClickBank, there's Ted's Woodworking, and I think they have a free download that you can give away as you give it away, right? So you would hook that up as your lead magnet, getting them into that product. And then, of course, there's gardening stuff, and you can sell a whole bunch of stuff. You can put on like a ton of stuff from Amazon, all the stuff that tricks out people, hoses, hose bibs, the things that rack up hoses. Like home and garden, guys, there's so much stuff. And the people that, think about it, the people that buy, especially in my neck of the woods, where a house is $1 million just for a tear down, the people that have houses have money. It's just reality. They have money, so they're going to go out and buy these things. So give away valuable content. If you're if you're in to make money online, give them cheats, give them hacks, give them things like this. Like turn this in. Take my video and turn it into the 3 things you need to know as an affiliate marketer. Click here, and I'll send you my list of 3 things that you must do. Okay, so that's number 2. Building your list by giving away valuable content. You got to give them something. They're not going to give you their email to be on your newsletter. They're just not. They want something. You have to give something, and it has to be good. So find something good. Find something that you would want. Number 3, targeting the correct traffic for your offer. And I see this so many times. So people say, "Oh, I've got a huge list. I bought all these names off this guy from 5 years ago. I've got a huge email list." Well, those probably are dead. They're cold traffic. You're not going to warm them up. I would rather have 100 targeted people that I know are on my list because of a specific page they came in through, and they're wanting to know, they want information on that subject, period, right? That's the targeted audience that I want. So you can make a ton of money from a very small audience, guys. Disclaimer, of course, you may not make anything, but just if you do the work, if you actually learn the skill, there's a ton of money, and people are making a ton of money out there. Okay, so I promised you a really big tip. There is something, and oh, by the way, this is based on my blog that I just put up, so I'll put a link to my blog. Please go visit it, comment on it, whatever. Comment on the video too if you got value out of this. Make sure you hit subscribe. There's 4 things, guys, for SEO juice, and I see so many websites where someone's written a decent article, but they didn't take the time to do the basics of SEO. The basics, and anybody can do this, guys. You don't need a big SEO company. There's software built into it's a plugin built into your WordPress that tells you step by step exactly how to rank a page. I'm going to show you here. Let me show you guys the article here. And I'm going to show you exactly what this software does. And this is free. It's a free plugin. There's a paid version, but I'm not going to give you, I don't think there's an affiliate link or whatever to it. Anyways, I want to show you this. So this is the article, guys. This is going to be the same as the YouTube. So if you're watching the YouTube, then you saw the same picture there. All right, so this is the article, guys. Here, right here, this green box up here, this is called rank math. Let me zoom in here so you can see it. So rank math, it's giving me an 85 out of 100. What is that based on? It's based on this keyword, how to do affiliate marketing. Where did I get that term from? I have a program called Uber. What is it? Uber search. Neil Patel's thing. Uber words or whatever it is. Uber something. Anyways, I use that, and I found that affiliate marketing is too hard to rank for. But how to do affiliate marketing? It may get only 10 or 20 searches a month, but it'll be really easy to rank for that to get into the top page. So when you have it, and this is for a brand new site, guys, so I'm building up the SEO, the Google juice on this site by ranking for really, like, it's lower volume search, but it's easy to get into the first page. So you're gonna get some traffic like that. And once you start getting traffic for those longer tail, hard, like less search, you're going to end up ranking for other words in it, because Google's going to go, oh, that site's about this. So check out how rank math works. So basic SEO, hooray, you're using a focus keyword in the SEO title. So you'll see my SEO title here, how to do affiliate marketing, focus keywords used in the SEO meta tag meta right here, how to do affiliate marketing. Focus keyword is used in the URL. The URL for this, guys, is if we go on this little cog button, post, look at that. The URL is how to do affiliate marketing. So go back over here. Focus keyword appears in the first 10% of the content. So in the first paragraph, I reinforce that thing. Focus keyword is found in the content. My blog is 898 words long. It's a good job. And then you can go into some additional stuff, guys. Focus keyword is found in the subheading. Focus keyword found in images and attributes. Keyword density is 6.7. URL is 50 characters long. Perfect. So I'm linking to an external resource. I'm linking to one external with do not follow in your content. You're linking to other resources on your website. You haven't used this focus keyword before. So all those things, guys, this is going to give a really good chance for Google to pick this page up for that precise search, how to do affiliate marketing, right? And guess what, guys? If someone types that into the search engine, that's exactly who I'm looking for. I'm looking for someone that wants to do affiliate marketing, because I want them to use the programs. So that is it. That's called rank math. I'll put a link to it. I don't think there's an affiliate program. If there is, I don't think I'm an affiliate for it. But anyways, go check out the blog, guys. And one last thing. If it's a double whammy. One last thing. If you want to build your list really fast, there is a program that I use that is basically paying daily commissions. It pays me from 4 different sources. It's monetized, and it's probably one of the simplest way to build your list. It's a very, very good program. I highly recommend it. In fact, someone I just put in that joined in January, they had their first $800 and something day the other day. They made $800 in a single day. Again, disclaimer, you may not make anything. But what he did, he followed the instructions 100%. He did exactly what he was told. Do this, do this, do this, do this. And was he frustrated for the first couple of weeks? He was, yeah, I don't know if this is working. I don't know if this is working. Boom. He gets a sale. He gets another sale. He gets another sale. And then he gets a sale from over here. And then he gets a sale from over there. And then he gets a huge sale. And he's like, wow, this works. So guys, I'll leave a link for that. Check it out. It's my list building program below. And guys, if you need anything else, check out the links below. And make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.